Hello students, so today I'll explain you from exercise 12.3 question number 10. So the question is, the area of equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square with the vertex of triangle as center, and the figure it is given, figure 12.28 you have to refer. So here the equilateral triangle it is given and its area is also given. Okay, with each vertex of triangle as center, a circle is drawn. So with each vertex ABC as a center, a circles have been drawn. 3 circles you can see is drawn with radius equal to, so the radius of each circle is equals to length of side of triangle. So here you can see this is the radius till this point. This is equals to half of length of side of triangle, and as it is equal to triangle, so suppose AB let us take as A. Then this, let us take this point as P. Then PA or the radius of the circle will be what? A by 2. Again the side is same here. BC is A also, BC is also A. So this radius is also A by 2. Even suppose this we have taken here the side as A, because same side we should get for equilateral triangle. Then area of this triangle with center C will be what? A by 2 only. So here these three triangles are the triangles with same radius, or these are what we can call as what? Congruent triangles. So what is asked here? Okay, this is over. See figure 12.28. So this is the reference figure. Find the area of shaded region. So shaded region area we have to find out. Use pi as 3.14 and root as root 3. It means what? Somewhere you will get root 3. So that value decimal point they are given 1.7300205 we have to use. Now we don't know this kind of shape, the direct formula. So what we can do here? First we will find out the area of the sectors. Why? Because area of full triangle we know. From that full triangle area we should remove the area of the sectors, isn't it? So you can see here this is a part of circle and these two are the area. So this is a sector of circle A, this is sector of circle B, this is sector of circle C. And you need to find out only one sector because they have the same radius and their congruent means what? Each sector will be same here. So we'll find out here. And here why? Because the angle of sector, each angle is 60 degree, angle ABC. So sector angle are also same. So only one sector area you need to find out here. And from this equilateral triangle area it is given, subtract 3 sectors area, so that you will get this shaded portion area. So let us proceed to the solution. So as it is given, area of triangle ABC, and this is equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle ABC it is given 17320.5 centimeter square. And ABC are the vertices, and even they are what? Centers of these 3 circles. So it is given that pi we have to take 3.14 and root 3 as 1.73205. We need to find out the area of shaded portion. So it is given that radius is half of length of side of triangle. So they are not given the radius, isn't? Have they given the side AC, BC, AB? They are not given the side, then you cannot find out the radius here. So unless and until you find the radius, you cannot find out here the sector, because in sector formula we have pi r square into theta upon 360. R we need to find out. Theta you can take this as what? 6 degree. So to find out the radius we have to find out the side, each side we have to find out. So from this area of triangle given we can find out the area, the each side here. So let us find first. We will find each side of equilateral triangle. We will find out the side of equilateral triangle. So the formula of area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 a square. So let us take A to be the side. So we will take here, let A is what here? Side of triangle ABC. So ABC is your equilateral triangle. So only one side you need to find out. So area of equilateral triangle ABC is given 1,317,320.5 equals to root 3 upon 4. Then here a square we have to find out. So I want to find out this a square. So these two things will bring the side 17320. So I'll write this in fraction so that decimal division it will be difficult. So upon 10 because only 1 0. Similarly root 3 it is given 1.73205 into 1 upon 4 I'll take. This 1 upon 4 I'll take to avoid the confusion. Even this you can write in decimal. So here only I'll directly write. So here it was the decimal 1 point. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 0. So it will be very easy to divide 105 divided by 10. This will come this side 1 over that 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, and this into 170. This will come this side. So it will be divided. So equals to 1 by 4 into a square. This 4 also you can bring this side, but 1 by 1 I'll bring. So 1 za it will get cancelled. 1 0 will cancel. So 1 1 and here you'll getting here 1 1 2 3 4 zeros. Now this into 4 I'll bring here equals to 1 into a square is a square. So here you got this as 4 1s are 4 1 2 3 4 zeros 2 3 4 equals to a square. Now you need to find out the value of a. So this square will bring inside. So it will be square root. So square root it is very easy to find out. What is the square root of 400? Let us take square root of 2 because here all are zeros. And here we have the even number of zeros. Then only you can find out direct square root. So square root of 4 is 2. So here double 0. So when you find the square root, take 1 0. Here for this double 0, take 1 0. So this is square root of 40,000, that is 200. And the measurements are in, here you can see centimeter square area. So this side will be also in centimeter. So A is a side, each side of an equilateral triangle. So now we can get the radius here. Radius it is given that it is half of each side. So we'll find out the radius of each circle. So radius of each circle is given that half of each side, that is 200. So radius is 100 centimeter. So we will take, let radius be, we will take as r. So radius equals to r. So radius I'll write here, that is 100 centimeter. Once you got the radius, you can find out the area of each sector, and area of each sector is same here. So let us find out the area. So therefore area of each sector is equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. In here theta here is 60 degree. Why? Because A here there is formation of angle of equilateral triangle, that is 60 degree. So each here A, B, C are 60 degree. So we got the angle of sector because these are the radii. So theta is 60 degree. Pi it is given that to take 3.14. So 3.14, r is 100, 100 into 100 because it is r square. Theta is 60 degree upon 360 degree. So this cancels, 6 1s are 6 6s are. And here you can multiply further. So multiply these all. So just here we have the round figures, isn't it? So put 1 2 3 4 zeros in the numerator. And 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 314. First do 314 and then put the decimal point. Think that there is 314 into 100 into 100. That will come like this. And after 2 digits from the right side, 1 stands. Here put the point. Divide by 6. So 31400 divided by 6. Because 0.0 means what? This is 31,400 divided by 6. This is area of each sector. Now I will not find the answer in decimals because I need to multiply. This is area of one sector. I will need to multiply with this 4. So area of 4 sectors equals to 4 into 31400 upon 6. So here sectors are 3 actually. Okay, so sorry, we'll take here 3. sectors are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Then here these are even numbers, so we can divide with 2. So 31400 divided with 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are, and here we got here 00. So the area of 4 sectors is 15700 centimeter square. So we got the area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors, and we have the area of equilateral triangle. From this area of equilateral triangle, subtract the area of 3 sectors, so that we'll get the area of this shaded portion. So therefore here area of shaded portion that is area of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC is equilateral, we know, minus area of 3 sectors we have to subtract here. So area of triangle ABC, it is given 17320.5 centimeter square minus area of 3 sector. We got here area of 3 sector as 15700, that is 15,700 centimeter square. So subtract this so that you will get the area of shaded portion. So finally you will get the answer as 1620.5 centimeter square. So this is 1620.5 centimeters square. This is the area of this shaded portion. I hope you understood the method and the formula which you have to apply here.